Hi, my name is Brock. I'm with LA Custom Grill Islands, and we custom built this island right here for this customer. It's just basically a 6x7 L shape. We used a Neolith countertop. This countertop is a ceramic countertop. It's the great thing about the ceramic, it handles heat very well. It's very durable, just as durable as granite. Comes in a lot of different colors. This one has like a marble finish on it, so it's great. We did a couple different things with this barbecue island. We stoned the outside, and as we walk around to the inside over here, you'll see that there's a transition. We put teak wood on the inside finish, and we had transitional borders from the stone to the wood. So as it starts getting around to the teak wood finish, you can kind of see the finish on the inside with the wood. With this barbecue island, we stuck in a Twin Eagle grill. Twin Eagle is a great grill. They have a nice new design coming out. Actually, that just came out, where the rotisserie motor is built into the side of the grill itself. So you no longer have the rotisserie motor sitting on the side of the grill. This is a 36-inch Twin Eagle grill. With our barbecue islands, every one of them come with something that's really unique. It's called a pull-up outlet that lifts right out of your countertop. 3 plugs. When you're not done using it, just push it straight back down. It's all hooked up to a GFCI. And the great thing about this, like I said, it's out of your way. It's not those gaudy, ugly ones that you see on the side of houses. Gives it a nice clean finish on the inside. Lastly, with our barbecue islands, as you can see, we build toe kicks in every one of our barbecue islands, just like your indoor kitchen. So what's going on is when you're standing here, you're not kicking the bottom of them or damaging the island. All of our islands come with a 5-year warranty, and they are built to last. Give us a call, 626-628-7405, or check us out on the internet, www.lagrillislands.com. Thank you.